Hello and welcome back to QA Vision. Today a super quick one. Let's fix the most common reason your variables don't work in Postman. If you ever seen a request like this break, you're not alone. Let's see what's going wrong and how to fix it in seconds. Postman supports multiple variable scopes: global, visible everywhere, environment, tied to an active environment, collection, only inside that collection, and local, only inside the current script. The same name like userId can exist in all scopes. Postman will use the most specific one. The number one mistake: you created environment variables but forgot to select the environment. This dropdown tells Postman which environment to use. If it's empty, your variables will look undefined, so make sure to select it before running the request. You can also define variables inside a collection. These are great when your collection is self-contained, like a full API test suite. Collection variables override global but are overridden by environment. You want predictable overrides? Then prefer environment for runtime data and collection for defaults. There is one more scope: local variables. These are created inside scripts and look like this. They don't show up in the UI and they only live inside that script block. So if your variables don't work, check this: environment not selected, wrong scope used, variable name typo, or missing initial value. Fix those and your script should behave. If this helped, hit like, leave a comment and subscribe to QA Vision for more hands-on automation. See you in the next video.